operate NHIF. Therefore, we go there, these people, they have numerous of counties, they're giving, therefore they decide to give you 1 million, 2 million. So far, we have pushed them to this extent to 42 in the balance of 3 million.
Chair, could I get a clarity from what Senator Kisang had earlier inquired? You had written a letter to NHIF dated 5th, and you received a response from NHIF 6 days after, that is was on an 11th. NHIF indicating that, kindly note that the facilities funds were cleared into the payees' accounts as per the attached listing on the current status of the accounts. Did you give a further, letter indicating that there is still a balance owing amount 3 million? Because you seemed to be satisfied with this feedback, which tells the committee that there is no outstanding according to NHIF.
I'm sure there could be that communication. It's only that I don't know. Let me hear from the CC.
Okay.
Chair, I want to respond that, as I've said earlier, we keep on claiming from NHIF on monthly basis what is owed to the county. So when they pay, they don't indicate that this payment is for this specific period. Money just keeps on coming in from NHIF as we claim on monthly basis. Although sometimes we experience delays from NHIF in disbursement of these funds.
So there was no further letter from this response? You got satisfied?
Not really, because not every time we do letters, we send vouchers to NHIF claiming for the monies that they owe the county from these facilities.
Thank you for your response, but there's a problem we're trying to cure. As a country, we have notions whereby we have policies, but we don't want to adhere to them because we have a notion that this is how it works. NHIF delays and delays, and it's like it's okay. It shouldn't be okay, because it is in your mandate and your responsibility to push, because already KRA during the payments, you're pushed to do the submissions. As we speak as Senate, we are pushing for counties to receive the 401 billion, and we are arguing from the perspective of the NSSF contributions, these chief issues that are coming. So as a county, you've adhered. But now you also don't want to push the provider, NHIF, to adhere to these timelines. There should be a push. There should not be a response of, that is how, they work. How do they work then? We cannot have a country that people are just waking up and deciding this is how we work. Then why do we have policy implementers? CC, you have to push. Are you the CC, or which position are you?
Through the chair, I'm the CC Health, and I want to confirm as late as yesterday, I was at NHIF offices claiming for several millions of shillings that they owe the county before we transition to shift.
Just quickly, you being on the floor through the governor, you have board members?
Yes, we do have a board.
Who's the chair of the board?
I'm the chair of the board.
So can you tell this committee how you are the chair of the board and your act does not require, it requires you to appoint members? Did you appoint yourself to be a member of the board? I'm just curious.
No, I don't appoint myself to be the member of the board.
So how are you chair of that board?
I was...
you were?
I was appointed by the Act. The Act provides, the F5 Act provides that the CC becomes the member of the board. We have
member or chair?
I mean the chair of the board.
Chair of the board. Legal, can you provide that act before the committee as we progress? Or do you have the response through the chair?
The chair may be the county government of Kisii to provide the act, because under the 2023 Act, that is the Facilities Improvement Financing Act. The membership that is provided for is what it establishes the county health management team, that is under section 10, and under that county health management team that is appointed by the county health management team shall be appointed by the county executive member for health as follows. That includes the county director of health, who shall be the chairperson, the administrative officer of the department, and all the section units within that health department, and the medical superintendents of county hospitals. So for this fund, it's county specific. It's for them now to provide what the Act provides on the membership of their board.
I thought you were reading their act.
No. This one is an action act.
Which supersedes, of course, legal.
Yeah, but they have their own act now. Now they operationalize and operate and manage their FIF. The one they follow. This one is just gives the guideline. This one is for the county health management team. It's not for the fund.
Through you, Chair, just quickly, Governor, do you have your attorney today, the county attorney with you, by any chance?
No.
It's okay, thank you. Legal, just in the meantime, because all regulations are within you can Google and be able to get. As we progress, just provide the act for Kisii County Health Act.